education was there before I gave birth to them. So education go there if they got injury because of this flood. No.
I swim this one and enter. Since you want to swim, swim and go. They gave you uniform. Goodbye.
Okay, guys, welcome back. Happy new week. Happy new week today. Honestly, this week did not start good, did not start well, but it's definitely going to be well with me this week. Honestly, I started this week. Today is Monday. I started this week very agile, very energetic. Yes, but as time goes on, everything was going left to left. So today is Monday. Happy new week to you guys. Don't mind me, understand? Because oh my god. I've taken my kids to school, and honestly, rain that fall yesterday mess everywhere up in my own area. Understand? This thing have not been happening, but it started I think August or early September. That was when this thing started happening in my area. Anytime rain fall, you will see flood. The thing will just be woo in my street. So the thing is really affecting us, honestly. Even this morning that I was taking my kids to school, my daughter have to fall inside water. The stress, even their lunch bag fall inside water. Honestly, I'm not happy, honestly. So I have to come back, and they need to go to school because they have been skipping school because of rain, and they did not start school early. So for them skipping, that means even me, I was like, I regret registering them this time. Supposing I could have leave them to start maybe next time, but it don't be, hey, be go school. So I needed them to be in school. Today is first day of the week. I be second, Monday is always second day. I think they need to start school. They need to go school. So I have to leave them on the way, come back and pick clothes for my daughter. Then I have to back grades because I back him when we are going. As my daughter fall inside water, I have to come back with the distance, then pick clothes, swim the water back again to the school. It's when we get to the school that she have to change. So the school was like, sorry ma, instead of this stress, anytime rain fall, they should be coming with extra cloth mufti in case, or they should not even come with socks. You understand? Because I don't think we'll do this thing next year. You see, next year I'm not gonna do this thing next year. No. We have to divert. Yes, we have to change school for them because the road to their school is not good. So we have to change, relocate to another school. Yes, I have to change them for another school. Look for school that will be coming to pick them with school bus. There's other schools that at least when I come out from my house, there's another road. So that is my next target now because this is not what it's not what I bargain. It's not what I plan. Honestly, I'm not happy. So anyway, how are you all doing? Welcome back once again. Don't forget to stay your girl, your mama, and that is in the building. Don't forget to give us a like, subscribe to us, drop a nice comment for us. Go name my Paulina, understand? So I just say let me come and gist you guys, you understand? Because I think one of my videos I've shown you guys how my area looks like when it falls, when rain fall, you understand? So that is why I'm here to still tell you that your girl cannot do it because of this case. No, education was there before I gave birth to them. So education go there if they got injury because of this flood. No. I can't do that. Yeah. So I don't know how this vlog is leading me because I don't even know. But any which way, please help me do it to watch the video. Do it to watch the video. Support your girl. Let's hit this 1K and 4K. Understand? Please support your girl. Thank you, and let the video. So guys, let me just show you how this my compound and the road is, because this is to 3 now.
Very soon my kids will come back. Let me just. It's like I'm hearing their voice. That's why I keep coming. So let me just show you guys how the place is. Let me flip my camera. My slippers. Afternoon. Yes, I welcome. I welcome. So Treasure, allow him to pull leg. You will not back him. Eh? And Henry, you are there. Now, wow. Yeah, swim this one and enter. Since you want to swim, swim and go. Pull leg inside. You have already put leg outside. Now you want to climb. Pull leg and swim. Since you want to swim, swim and go. Uniform. Eh? Eh? This one you are wearing. You are not a schoolboy. Come. Shift back. I don't want to. Oh, yeah, shift back. You're not a student. Your face is not even showing very well because of that light. Come this side. Come this side. Let me see very well. Stand up now. You have removed your shoe. Stand up. Go back small. Shift back. They gave you uniform. Good boy. And that uniform also. And they give Treasure.
Mommy, I want green. Can't give me green.
Which one did they give you?
They gave me red.
They give Kansi green. Now
I see green in my class.
it's good now. Must you be in the same color with others? Treasure is yellow. Henry is what? Blue. It's good as the uniform is different, so that nobody will say it's my own. At least great own is smaller than your own. They move that. Leave it. It's stretching now, but there's not how great own will stretch to that Vicky size. See, great has even stained it. Which day are you people wearing this one? Wednesday. So who don't have uniform now?
Uniform.
Is it complete? Only Friday remaining. Friday wear is remaining. All right, guys. My kids are back from school. At least, let me talk. At least my face have brightness small because that morning time I was angry because of that fall that my daughter fall and how we swim that water in the morning. So this afternoon they are back. We have to be coping up till next time. You understand? That's it. So keep watching and don't forget to subscribe to our page. Give us a like, drop a nice comment for us, and don't forget to see your mama Adachius in the building. A mom of 5 living in Port Harcourt. Yeah. So see you guys in our next video or our next clip. Hopefully. You understand? Bye. I come and say bye. Sis want to say bye. Come on. Schoolboy. Bye. So guys, I'm selecting beans because we want to prepare beans this night. That is our dinner. Beans and plantain. Ripe plantain. So keep watching and don't forget to give us a like and a subscribe. You understand? You can support us. My children are doing the assignment. Can't see. Enter here now. Where's your? Have you finished your own? Vicky is there doing her own. Vicky is there doing her assignment. That phone you are holding is for what? Calculating what? So you cannot calculate that thing on your head. Okay. So keep watching and watch us with love. You understand? the community strong. So this is the plantain I'll be using for my beans. I have to bring it outside so that you guys will see it. Inside kitchen is very dark, you understand? So film the plantain, ripe plantain, not that pete pete on. This one is somehow strong, small, but ripe. You understand? So guys, I came to put palm oil. I never knew that my palm oil has finished. The thing just escaped my memory, understand? So the next available thing is going to be the oil inside this beans. So I have to use this pepper and onion. At least culture to red small, you understand? And groundnut oil, that is what I'll be using to make this beans this night. Guys, pardon me, not that everywhere is dark. See, it's somehow bright outside, but my kitchen is dark because of my neighbor's plantain in her own compound. She used this her back side to plant plantain, understand? So the leaves is always covering my, at least the small lightning that will enter, you understand? So I have to use torchlight now because I have not on gen this night, understand? So keep washing, let the tomatoes do the oil style. Anyhow it is, as far as oghere ọ ga-aba n'afọ, a ga-eri ya eri, understand?